MAZDA, Suzuki, Yamaha admit to improper emissions testing. More Japanese automakers joined falsified data list following government-ordered audits. MAZDA, Suzuki and Yamaha have joined a growing list of Japanese companies falsifying data, with all three admitting to improper fuel economy and emissions testing. First reported by industry journal Automotive News Europe, the announcements come after internal investigations made by all three firms, ordered by the Japanese Ministry of Land, Infrastructure, Transport and Tourism. The inquiries were imposed upon Japanese automakers after Subaru and Nissan admitted to improper testing earlier this year. According to the report, representatives from MAZDA and Suzuki confirmed misconduct but declined to comment further, though Yamaha did issue a statement regarding the emissions inspections. It is a fact that there were improper actions. We sincerely apologize, said a Yamaha spokesperson. Last year, auto and heavy industry supplier Kobe Steel was one of the first companies to admit to falsified data after self-inspections and emergency quality audits of the compliance status of contracts executed as to products shipped over the past year revealed that it had been shipping products with falsified inspection certificates. Automotive News Europe says the saga has tarnished the Japanese manufacturing industry's reputation, widely known for its high quality and efficient production processes. However, it appears these issues are limited to Japanese market